Hey guys, this is me Priyanka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to start your career in IT. Yesterday, I was having a chat with my friend about my journey in tech and that made me think about my very first programming task that I did when I was 18-year old, and now I see so many young people who have already started their career in IT by either programming or cybersecurities and a lot of different things, and how I wish I should have started earlier. I think I feel this way because this tech industry is so ever changing and you always feel so new to it because there are so many different stacks. Even though I have been a developer for many years, but still there are different tech stack that I'm completely unknown about. I don't have knowledge at all about those things. So this field is really huge. So in this video, we'll talk about what are the different roles that can get you into the tech industry. This video can be helpful for anyone who wanna start their career in IT, or for someone who have already started in IT but may wanna switch to a different field of IT. Following your passion is also one of the most important thing in finding you the perfect career, but sometimes there are different factors as well that can help you decide where you want to land. I get asked a lot by many people how to even start my career in IT industry. To know that, you should find out which of the sector in IT you would be most interested in. Here I'll be talking about 10 tech roles. You'll probably be relieved to discover that there's more variety than you anticipated. So these can give you an excellent chance of finding a job that matches your specific set of skills, passion and talent. Let's start with technical support. Technical support roles are also known as computer support specialist, help desk support, or operation analyst. You know, when things go wrong in an IT environment, technical support staff are always there patiently troubleshooting the problem. Generally, technical support teams, they have client-facing roles, helping the customer with software or hardware. Usually key skills that are required for this kind of role is wide ranging of tech knowledge and the ability to problem solve, excellent communication and the ability to listen. One of the key important skills for this role is patience and more patience. The second one is hardware engineer. Hardware engineer build, design and test computer hardware such as computer chip and circuit boards and other computer system. They also work with peripheral devices such as printer, scanner, modem and monitors. So generally hardware engineering roles becomes more specific as it goes up from entry level to senior positions. Some of the key skills required for these kind of roles are analysis, logical thinking, teamwork and attention to detail, as it involves designing and development and testing of several computer system and components. The third one on the list is software developer. So if you're looking for a creative role in IT, software development could be for you. Software developers design a range of software solution from operating system and database to mobile application and game. So to understand what the software is required to do, the developers, they might need to communicate extensively with customer or their team. So some of the key skills that are required for this kind of job is high level technical knowledge, the ability to think in strategic manner, the ability to work within a team and paying attention to details. You'll need top programming skills to be a software developer, but the reward will be worth it as it's one of the best paid grad roles as well. The fourth one is user experience designer. So have you ever used a website or app and have been frustrated how to navigate to different screen? So there comes the part of UX designer who try to research, understand and they design and process all these things so that user can seamlessly experience the product. So they focus on three things: aesthetic and user engagement and usability of the product. So some of the key skills that are required for this kind of role is they should be people oriented, they should be curious, they should always be interested in the whys, and they should always be good with written and verbal communication as well. So they have to be inherently interested in predicting human behavior, so they can be good at this role. The fifth one is software tester. So fun part is software tester and software developer, they do have some love and hate kind of relationship, because software tester, they always come up with a lot of issues and give them to the developer for them to fix it. So talking about software tester, also known as test analyst, software quality assurance tester, they detect software bugs. So there are many undetected software bugs that can cause massive impact on the productivity and reputation of a company, causing all sort of problems from software crashes or security breaches. So these testers try to exterminate the bugs by anticipating all the ways an application or system might be used. So they test script and macros, analyze the result and give back to the project lead, so all the necessary changes can be made. Some of the key skills needed for this role is attention to detail, a good communication skill, analytic and investigative thinking, and creativity in finding problems. Next one is technical sales. So technical sales, these roles are quite similar to sales manager, account manager, and sales executive. But the difference in IT is they need to understand how businesses uses IT. So technical sales, they might be the least hands-on role on this list, but they still need some experience on the IT and the tech sector. At the heart of this role is a willingness to understand what customer wants and speak to them in a way that conveys your determination to equip them with a proper and appropriate solution. An IT degree isn't necessarily essential in this role, but you need to have a thorough technical understanding of the product that you're going to sell. So some of the key skills that are required for this role is product knowledge, that's a must, and persuasion, interpersonal skill, the drive for sales, and knowledge of the business that they are into. Next is the business analyst. So as with the technical sales, this isn't necessarily a hands-on IT job. However, the best analysts are those who understand the technologies employed by the clients and employers. Business analysts are responsible for analyzing an organization, documenting its business processes and system. Also, they require evaluation of the use of technology and identifying various ways to just enhance the outcome related to efficiency, performance, sales, and cost effectiveness. So it would be a great fit for a person who is a talent IT graduate and who is great in communication, presentation, facilitation, and project management and problem solving. Network engineer. Network engineering is one of the most technically demanding IT jobs, and broadly speaking, this job involves setting up, administering, maintaining, and upgrading communication systems, LAN, local area network, and wide area network for an organization. Network engineers are also responsible for security, data storage, disaster recovery strategy. So it's highly technical role, and you'll likely end up with an impressive collection of specialist technical certification. So usually to get a job in these roles, certifications are quite required, along with the experience as well. So communication skills, ability to develop, follow and adjust a plan of action, analytical thinking, and usually ability to solve problem is necessary for this role. The second last one in the list is cybersecurity specialist. So under cybersecurity, there are different other jobs as well: cybersecurity analyst, ICT risk and security specialist, ICT security analyst, and there are much more. Cybersecurity analysts, they protect the security of computer system and networks. So they need to have broad technical knowledge, since security is an important consideration across most part of modern computer system. So any IT related degree is normally required for cybersecurity roles. Experience is critical for all, but the graduate or assistant positions and certification may give you enough advantage over other applicants. Cybersecurity specialists, they enjoy an excellent salary, and this is also a job that's in high demand as well. So the last one in the list is the systems administrator. This role never goes out of date. System administrator, they configure, maintain, and they ensure the continued reliability of computer software. So they mostly deal with multi-use computer, including servers as well. So an organization system administrator, they manage the IT infrastructure, including the server and network equipment. A degree in the field such as information technology or computer science is often required for administrative position like such. So yeah, these are the 10 roles that I just talked about. There are different other roles as well, but the one that I mentioned, they can be a base and a foundation for you to start off with. So once someone has certain year of experience in these roles, they can opt for roles like DevOps, IT project manager, and tech leads, and much more. So if you are someone who is interested in a different field inside IT and want to know more about it, then please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, see ya!